This is Namor's ankle wings from Black Panther Wakanda Forever. I made it out of popsicle sticks, broken umbrella, and cheap DC motor gearbox. This is the most epic mechanism I have ever made. I bought this DC motor gearbox for $2 and I'm gonna use this motor to move the wings. I need to add wires on the motor so it's easier to power the motor. The torque is actually pretty strong. We don't need this wheel. I need to make small lever with popsicle stick like this. Make 3 layers of popsicle stick to make it stronger. Make a small hole and assemble it to the gearbox. You will need 2 of it. We need to make housing with popsicle stick, glue 2 popsicle stick together, and add 1 more on top of it. Make 2 and put it on the gearbox. We might need to remove this rubber thing for now. Add a piece of popsicle stick to hold both parts. Now we can put the rubber thing back. I need umbrella ribs to make the flapping mechanism. Luckily, I have many broken umbrellas. I need this part of the rib. I need to cut it about 9.5 cm. Glue the rib on a piece of popsicle stick. It's easier to use hot glue. Now glue it on the gearbox like this. I add a piece of popsicle stick in the middle of the ribs to make it steady. Make levers with umbrella ribs like this. It's to convert gearbox rotation into flapping motion on the umbrella ribs. I also need to add straw like this to hold the lever position. I bind the lever with nylon, but we need to make it a little bit saggy so the lever can move freely. And this is how it works. Glue the lever like this so it stays on track. You can add a little bit of lubricant if you want. Now to make the wings, I'm gonna use bamboo. Okay, this is the flapping mechanism. Pretty cool, isn't it? Let's use 9-volt battery. Now this is epic. I'm gonna make the strap with cardboard. I add this adhesive tape so it's easier to wear and remove it. I need to add a piece of bamboo to place the wings on proper position. glue it with super glue, and you can use the sawdust method to stick it stronger. Now glue it on the strap. And I need to make a battery holder with this cereal box. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's wear it. I don't know how can I show you this, but I'm just gonna use the mirror and it looks pretty good already. Yes. Okay. Yeah. It works pretty well. I make a pair already, but when I put both wings on my feet, it's kind of difficult to walk because of the wings. I need to find a way to fix it. Yeah. I have to remove this joint and make the new one. I need a small piece of popsicle stick, make hole and add a small pin that I got from the umbrella ribs. Make the same size hole on the bamboo and attach it together. Add another pieces of popsicle sticks to lock the wings. Now just glue it back. Okay, now we can fold the wing if we don't need it. I'm gonna use this white umbrella for the wings. I just make a simple wing shape like this. Now just draw simple feathers on it. Then glue it with hot glue. I know it looks a mess, but we can fix it with lighter. Draw this side a bit to hide the bamboo. Okay, that's it. It looks like a real bird's wings now. When I'm planning this project, I just remembered an old toy that I had a long time ago. It worked just like this. Yeah, that's how I came out with this idea. Now let's make the shin guard. I will use this cereal box. Make a G shape like this on cardboard for the ornaments. We'll need to make two shapes. Now we can glue the ornaments on the shin guards. We need to bend the shin guards a bit while gluing the ornaments. Now apply the primary color, and I use metallic gold to color the shin guards. I'm gonna add adhesive tape on the shin guards so it can easily be removed. Okay, it's done. These wings are easy to wear, and because we can bend the wings, walking isn't a problem anymore. And when you are ready to show off those wings, you can easily unfold them and switch them on. I made the guard removable so that I can show people how the flapping works. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next project. See ya!